me and Mario are actually off today, which we chose the coldest, not even the coldest, but it's gonna be cold today, so I don't know what we're gonna do. But I'm making, we're gonna make jumbo pancakes today. Yep. Where should we get your best friend, Mochi? Where should we get your best friend? Let's see. Decisions.
Oh my fucking llegas 3 semanas, tu día.
Come on.
Hiciste tu día ya tranquilito sin.
There we go. Okay, come on. Vente. Turn him. Watch where you're going.
He's starting!
Finally putting up all the Christmas decor. Where's Zay? Where's Zay?
I gotta be careful with this because he's got no axles. No!
Let's go.
Are you helping, Mochi?
So freaking cold. Mochi, pay attention.
Are you that scared? Are you scared of me?
Yeah.
Are you scared of me? What the heck? Your mom's ready for you to go to school.